known for the broker business. I had some clients come to my car wash, walked them through the back room to show them a little bit about the car wash, and I saw one of my employees like this with the phone out watching a video and folding towels like a sloth. And I was like, oh heck no, nobody's ever gonna fold another towel at my car wash again. So we decided to come up with an idea that fixes it, and that's where the Towel Genie started. When we first started, we started off with the top box. The Towel Genie box started as just, how do you get the towels out of it? We put it up there, we saw a reduction in towel loss, and obviously we lost the employee over there, which was a great thing. So now we could focus more on the operations of the car wash. Then we started looking deeper into it and started adding all the amenity holders on the sides. Make things clean. We were using bottles before, and bottles were disappearing. So we started plumbing everything from the back room. We put everything, so it's a nice clean look on there. And then we added, at the end, we added the dirty towels, because we were really monitoring and really understanding what was happening. Every time we'd look at the trash bins, most of our towel loss was going in the trash. So we're like, if we make it easy for somebody to return the towels, you win. So all in all, we had a significant reduction in towel loss. We lost an employee. We ended up with a massive win across the board. So it seems to work. We've tested this thing for over a year in our facilities before we brought it with Sonny's. When we first did the top part, we got about 30%, and we probably got another 15 or so percent when we put the dirty towels in as well. So, when you fold towels real nice, or you roll them up like everybody was doing, it's easy for the customer to come over and grab a whole stack of them, or grab a bunch of rolls and stick them in the doors and stuff like that. When you're pulling them out of here, they almost look like they're dirty, even though they're clean. They look like, so nobody's stealing a bunch of towels from you anymore. So they take what they need. Also, having it on, and one of the other things that we tried is we put it on every other pole. When we started putting them on every pole, we got more towel, reduction in towel loss, because somebody walks all the way over, grabs a bunch of towels out because they have to walk all the way back to their car. You're not getting them returned because you have to walk all the way over there to do it. So putting on every single vacuum job helped us a tremendous amount. There's a big reduction in labor. You don't have somebody sitting in the back folding towels all the time. I've actually been to quite a few car washes where they'd go in the back and they'd sit there and sort of watch the washing machine go around in circles. That was their full-time job. So, the reduction in the labor of the employee that's back there, just their full-time job is washing towels. Now you just wash them, you take them out, you drop them right in the top and pull them out as you need them. Having all the amenities over there and having them plumbed in gives you, if you look at some of the reviews at our car washes, people were just ranting and raving about, oh, this car wash offers everything. They have everything and it's nice and clean. So you go out there, and there's a couple of different programs that we've launched of how you go in and help this with your operation. So we'd go in between every car. We'd go over there. Our employee personally grabs a towel, touches the back of the car where it's very hard to wash. We go around and we greet the customer with a towel. And then we throw the dirty towel in the bin, we pull another one out and do the same loop around the next car. So it's really worked for us. We've seen sales go up, we've seen labor go down, we've seen the towel loss go down. So it's been really good overall.